Alright, today we're going to take a look at this crazy new pedal, the EQD Nightwear, and the fancy purple, obviously. So you got the level, obviously, your rate, your depth, and your frequency. Now let's check this out. We have it both on the rate on attack and the frequency on LFO at the moment. Just an amazing sound. I've been dabbling with this for the past couple days since I got it, and there's just so much in it. Turn the frequency up a little more. The rate all the way up. Let's try the depth and the rate all the way up. Okay, we'll go back to noon, and we will put it on manual for the rate, and we'll try manual for the frequency. And we'll go once more over to attack on the frequency here, all maxed out, and then we'll dial back. This review and demo could be forever, but I'm just going to try and get some basics out of it. Now they actually have some suggestions over here, so we're going to go with the rhythmic circles first, and we'll see what this one sounds like. Well, it's pretty close there anyways. Down the middle, all the way in the middle. Alright, so this is one of the recommended suggestion settings. Oh yeah. I'm liking that. Alright, now we'll go over to this one here. I'm not sure if you can see that. This one is called Voodoo Attack. I'll switch it over here. I tried this one out earlier. I was just spending all day playing with this one because it is great. Alright. Oh yeah. We'll put it back to the Voodoo Attack. Actually, no, we'll put it back to the circles, the rhythmic circles for the last bit of this video. This could go on forever. I could do this video forever. It's just that amazing. There's so many different sounds, tones. I'll do another one where I pair it with some reverb, little delay, phaser, some distortion. It just sounds absolutely amazing. Again, this is one of Riff's many reviews. I hope you like it. Tell me what you think about this and if you're planning on picking it up. I highly recommend this pedal. Alright, Riff Mountain out.